Hello, what's up, guys? It's the Koda, and welcome to another video of Basic Python. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a triangle using Python. So, at first, you have to write print, print, print. Next, you have to copy the print. After that, you have to go to the second line and paste it, go to the third line and paste it, go to the fourth line and paste it, and then go to the fifth line and paste it. As I took 5 lines, next I am giving a bracket, next a quotation, and next I am taking 5 spaces because I took 5 lines. Next I am giving a slash and a vertical bar. Next I am doing this thing in the number 2 line. I am giving a slash and a vertical bar. Next in the number 3 line, after taking a bracket and quotation, I am taking 3 spaces, and next I am giving a slash and some spaces and a vertical bar. Next in the 4th line, I am giving a bracket, a quotation. Next, after space, I am giving the slash, and next I am giving the vertical bar. After that, I am again giving a bracket, next quotation, next no space, and just the slash, next some underscores, next the vertical bar. And as we run the code, we can see the triangle has been drawn.